If you've tried to make consistent money online and you've struggled, this video is for you because what I'm going to break down is the very simple formula that I've used to generate over $121,000 in just one of the income streams that I have online. Not only that though, but inside of that affiliate program, I've been able to get to the top of the leaderboards, as you can see on the screen. And I'm going to break down in this video exactly what I've been doing so you can, at the end of this video, go out there with confidence, knowing that you're going to implement a proven formula. So now what I want to do is I want to hop on a virtual whiteboard, break down these pieces in step-by-step detail so you can go ahead and know exactly what you need to be doing to make money as fast and as easy as possible. Okay, so I'm on a whiteboard app right now. Now this may seem like a lot of pieces, but it's really just 4 simple steps. And as you stick with me in this video, I'm going to break down each of these steps in very exact detail so you know exactly what you need to do. Now, the very first thing you need to realize is the easiest way to make money online is to just find a product that's already created online, that's selling well, and then get people that are interested in that product to see the sales page. Because once you do that and they buy, you will actually get credit as an affiliate. And that's what I've done to generate, over $121,000. That's an affiliate program. And so all I have to do is focus on these 4 simple steps. Now, number 1 is you need to choose one main traffic source, okay? And traffic basically means one place online where you're going to get consistent people to see your offer, okay? Whatever you're promoting, whether it's health and fitness, whether it's make money online, there's a lot of different types of offers out there. Now, you want to focus on one main traffic source because a lot of people, when they start online, and this is what I did, different gurus, different so-called leaders online are telling you one day, oh, you need to do Facebook, the next day you need to do Twitter. Well, I want to pull back the curtain and expose to you a little dirty secret most don't let you in on. And the fact of the matter is, there's people that are wildly successful online using any traffic source, okay? So the issue really isn't what traffic source is best. The issue is what traffic source can you stick with over the next 30 to 60 days and get consistent leads, okay? Now, you want to be posting ads, okay? That's how you're going to be generating leads. We post advertisements on whether Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, you can blog, you can post on Instagram. We post these ads, and those ads, whether it's a picture or a video, and I'm going to share exactly more details, like examples in a second, but you want to share that, and that's going to pique people's interest. That's going to get people interested in whatever offer you're promoting. The ad is going to have to do with the offer. So it's not going to reveal the offer. It's not going to be, that, explanatory. It's not going to get into that much detail. It's just going to pique people's interest by building curiosity. Let's say, for example, you promote a make money online product. You join an affiliate product or an affiliate program rather, and it pays you a good amount of money. You like the value inside of it, and you want to promote that. Now, you want to go to one of these places and start sharing ads. Now, I'm going to use Facebook as an example because Facebook, most people have a Facebook account. It's free to post on there, on your profile, and anyone can get started doing that. So if I go to Facebook, now this is in the make money online niche, okay? You're going to see that March 20th, okay? So quite a bit of time ago, and I'm sharing this because it works, it's been working for years and it will always work when you share ads. So what you want to do is you want to find some proof that people are making money or people are losing weight, whatever offer you're doing, you want to find proof that people are succeeding. Now, if you join a good affiliate program to, let's say, teach people to make money online, it's in that interest, that niche, what you can do is usually go to a Facebook group and just screenshot one of the person's results and then share that as the ad. Okay, so that's what I did here. Now, real quick before I continue, if you don't have an affiliate program or you want to know my #1 recommended one to get instant paying commissions up to $2,000, click the link in the description. You can find out much more information. But what I did was I went to the Facebook group, I screenshotted this guy here, one of the members, okay, he made $100, and I just wrote, a little bit of text, okay, you don't even have to put that much text on there. You just kind of want to summarize, like tell a little bit of story or, this guy was struggling and then he made money. And then here's the key. You want to tell people no matter if you're on Instagram, no matter if you're on YouTube, you want to give a call to action. So you share proof and then you tell people what to do. And you want to tell them to either comment or message you for more information. And I told people to comment, and you can see right here that this guy here, okay, said info. And when someone says info, you just want to message them and say, hey, I saw you you requested information. Here's more information for you. And then you would send people more information, which is your affiliate product, okay? Whatever you're promoting, you would send them that information. Now, going back to this, okay, step 2 is once people comment, okay, once people say info or they message you, you want to send those visitors to a capture page that collects that prospect, that person's email address. Now, a lot of people go wrong when they first do affiliate marketing. They go out there and they send people directly to the sales page. And that's a problem because most people will not decide to buy instantly. Most people take following up with. If you think about yourself, if you've ever bought something online, chances are you didn't just see it and buy. You probably saw it again and again. Maybe you got emails and then you finally bought. Okay, so how do we ensure that we make the most sales as possible? Well, we want to be following up with people through emails. Now, to make this automated and passive, you can set up emails that go out one day at a time on autopilot, so you don't even have to send it yourself. Once you have this set up, it will just start following up with your leads on autopilot. Now, what do we want to do? We want to send those emails. We want to get the links in the emails to go to a sales video with a buy button. Okay, now this is typically known as the affiliate sales page. Once someone puts their email into our capture page, which, by the way, here's an example, okay, of a capture page. A lot of people want to know, what's a capture page? What does it look like? Here's a good one, okay? This one has produced thousands and thousands of dollars, and it's very simple, as you can see. It's just a headline here with an email box for someone to put their email in, and then just give some bullets of the benefits, okay? Now, at the link below, you can actually get access to this capture page for free, so you can start to get leads. And the cool thing about this capture page and the affiliate program below is it has tons of emails that already are written and coded to you when you create an account inside the system. And these emails will start following up with your leads for you. So again, while you're hanging out at the beach, while you're relaxing with your friends and family, your leads are still getting followed up with, and that's how you can start waking up to commissions. Now, these emails, like I said, are going to be sending people back to the sales page. Now, here's an example of a sales page. Okay, so again, has a headline and this webinar. Okay, this will convince people to join. So what we want to do is we want to basically use Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. to get people to our capture page, to this page. And then once they put their email in, they will start getting followed up with automated emails that are already created for you, sending them back to the sales video. And then once they buy, okay, they go to the buy button underneath the video. That's when you make money. And a good affiliate program, a good system, is going to have multiple different income streams as well as multiple different levels for someone to join at. Okay, again, at the link below, if you decide to go with that one, which is the one that I personally recommend out of 5 years online, trying dozens of different ones, you can earn in many different income streams. Okay, if I show you right here, there's 7 different income streams right now. Okay, income stream number 1, this is called Easy One Up. And the cool thing about income stream number 1 is it pays you up to $2,000. You get 100% of that money and you get it instantly. Okay, whether to a PayPal, to a Stripe account, to a MoneyGram, you choose how you want to receive the money. And when you just send people to this page, okay, which you get right here, once you create an account, you just get your affiliate link. And I'll show you right here. This is the capture page. So you just send people to this page. Once you set up the different income streams with creating an account, the person will watch the video, go through setting up the different income streams, upgrading, and you will get credit for that sale. And so with these different income streams, like this one earns up to $998. Okay, this one is $748 per commission. This one is Forsage. Okay, so Forsage is built in. This is a cryptocurrency with Ethereum. Okay, that's an income stream, etc. Very, very powerful. So I just wanted to share with you this overview of how the process works. Now, again, at the link below, when you set up an account, steps 2, 3, and 4, that's all done for you. Okay, so all you would have to do is get your link and then just post ads on either Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. Okay, and you just post that ad, give a call to action, sending people to your capture page. That's all you have to do. That's all I've been doing. I'm in Brazil right now. I've been traveling. I've been at the beach, and I'm still able to generate up to $2,000 commissions because I let the system do all this work for me. Okay, so I hope you got value. If you did, be sure to click the like button. That tells me to make more of these. Be sure to also subscribe so you don't miss out on my weekly videos breaking down how to make money online efficiently and quickly. And last but not least, if you want access to this system while it's still available, they're still taking on new members, go down below, register, upgrade inside the different income streams, position yourself. We earn at the level we come in at and below. So you want to join as high as possible. And there you go, my friend. You'll start to create results. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you very soon.